que te vaya bien, que te vaya mal. Son cosas del amor que te hagan reír, que te hagan llorar. Son cosas del amor que ha llegado yo a tu corazón. Son cosas del amor. Oh, 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 mm.
What you're giving, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello, welcome. And my name is Stephanie. Today's video is going to be on this look right here. I'll be doing, it's kind of like a, I want to say, smoky gray silver glam look. I want to say I was inspired by Scarlett Johansson's interview video that she had. I'll insert a picture, you know, in the screen there. So yeah, I definitely was inspired. I don't know exactly what product she used, of course, or what they used on her, but this is kind of what I recreated based off of just the picture that I got. So yeah, if you want to know how to recreate this look, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so I went ahead and applied my foundation, and I did it a little bit different this time because I used a couple different products, which I'll also include in the description box below. So any products that I did use, I will include that in the description box. So I'm going to go ahead and move on with my eyes now. I will be going in again with the Jaclyn Hill palette, which I did use in my previous video. They'll also insert somewhere here. I will insert here exactly what shadow I am using with the Jaclyn Hill palette, because I honestly don't know the names and I lost the little name thing. So I will insert that per usual. So I'm going to go ahead in with the transition color first. That way. Adding that all over the crease with the M433 brush, Morphe M433 brush. Okay. Okay. And I'm going to also do that with the other eye. I am just applying this still the same shade. I think I probably use only a couple shades based off of my lip. And if you can hear my dog, he just came from being outside. So he's actually not snoring this time around. So yeah, I went ahead and just did my crease. And I applied just one shade on my crease. And I'm going to go ahead and then just blend that in. And I am just going to go ahead and just make sure I darken the crease up a little bit. I feel like it can be a little bit darker, so I may include another shadow here. Maybe a little bit of a darker brown. Just to increase the darkness on my shade. Now, I'm just going based off of reference from the picture. I have no idea what she's wearing in the interview that she had. She was talking about her movie, the Black Widow movie that she's making. That comes out next year, which I'm so excited about. But I have no idea what she had. And again, I'm just definitely just winging it. So I went ahead and just darken up and then I'm gonna, with the same brush, just drag it down the the bottom lash line. You know, smoking that out a little bit. I'm using the first color that I used on my crease. And I'm going to go ahead and go in with a little bit of, with the smaller brush, and go in with the darker shade and smoke it out. They make these weird faces when you're blending your bottom lash line out. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this shade. Now I'm gonna use my finger and I will insert it here. It's like a silvery, glittery shade. Oh my god, yes. Ooh, I look cute already. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and blend a little bit, get that darker shade that I used, and just blend it in a little bit with this shade. I wanna make sure I get that. Oh my god, yes. Kind of like a smoky gray shade. Super glam look. I love it. Okay, so I want to go ahead and just leave the look like this. I went ahead and applied the shadow, and I kind of smoked it out a little bit. I wanted to get a little bit closer to the camera here. Kind of smoked it out a little bit. I did use the darker, kind of looks a little purplish based off of just how I'm mixing it, but it's actually a little bit a darker brown that I mix at the bottom and then on my crease. So I did that. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly just apply some lashes and a little bit of eyeliner. I want to go ahead and do that just to make it a little tiny bit darker. And then I should be right back. Oh, and then the lipstick, because the lipstick is gonna look cute too. Okay, I'll be right back. And finish the look off camera. I went ahead and applied some lashes, and I did a little bit of black, like I kind of smoked it out a little bit on the top lash line, a little bit, just to blend in the lashes. For the lashes, I am using the, looks like these are the Lash Couture. I don't know, they're like $6, or the Kiss lashes. They're Kiss lashes, Lash Couture. And yeah, so I use these. I didn't want to go with like a bold look for these lashes because, like I said, this is kind of a little bit more daytime office type look based off of just my opinion. So yeah. Okay, so then I also paired it with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and I wanted to do like just that bright lip kind of, but then I kind of toned it on a little bit with the Christmas Cookie Jeffree Star lipstick. So I kind of mix both of them a little bit, kind of look like these. So combined, I got this look. So yeah, I want to say that completes the look. Okay guys, so I want to say that completes the look. I do want to thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.